Here are the top losers and gainers on May 25, 2022. As the market closed last night, there were top tickers with max loss and gain. Here are the top 8 losers and top 10 gainers. Brought to you by Core. Let's begin with top 8 losers. Number 1, Verica Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, ticker VRCA, negative 57.46% change. Verica Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, a clinical stage medical dermatology company, develops and commercializes dermatological treatments in the United States. Why is it moving? Verica Pharmaceuticals shares are trading lower after the company announced it received a complete response letter from the FDA for its NDA for VP102 as a direct result of deficiencies at General Reinspection of Sterling Pharmaceutical Services LLC. Number 2, Enochian Biosciences Incorporated, ticker ENOB, negative 36.97% change. Also known as Dandrit Biotech USA Incorporated, a preclinical stage biotechnology company, engages in the research and development of pharmaceutical and biological products for the human treatment of HIV, hepatitis B virus, influenza, and coronavirus infections, and cancer. Why is it moving? Enochian Biosciences shares are trading lower after Hindenburg Research tweeted Enochian's founder and inventor of its scientific breakthroughs has been arrested in a murder-for-hire plot in California. Number 3, 2U Incorporated, ticker TWOU, negative 12.55% change. 2U Incorporated provides cloud-based software as a service solutions for nonprofit colleges and universities to deliver education to qualified students. Why is it moving? 2U shares are trading lower after Piper Sandler downgraded the stock from neutral to underweight and lowered its price target from $10 to $9. Number 4, Chinook Therapeutics Incorporated, ticker KDNY, negative 7.68% change. Chinook Therapeutics Incorporated is a clinical stage biotechnology company, focuses on the discovery, development, and commercialization of precision medicines for kidney diseases. Why is it moving? Chinook Therapeutics shares are trading lower after the company announced a common stock offering of approximately 6.4 million shares at $14 per share. Number 5, PMV Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, ticker PMVP, negative 7.1% change. PMV Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is a precision oncology company pioneering the discovery and development of small molecule, tumor-agnostic therapies targeting p53 mutations. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader healthcare sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness as stocks across sectors fall on COVID-19 concerns and China volatility. Investors also await the Fed's two-day meeting beginning on Tuesday. Number 6, Grindrod Shipping Holdings Limited, ticker GRIN, negative 6.53% change. Grindrod Shipping Holdings Limited, an international shipping company, owns, charters in, and operates a fleet of dry bulk carriers and tankers worldwide. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness as stocks continue to sell off following last week's Fed rate hike decision. Number 7, On Assignment Incorporated, ticker ASGN, negative 6.43% change. On Assignment Incorporated engages in the provision of personnel services in technology, healthcare, and life sciences sectors. Why is it moving? ASGN shares are trading lower after Credit Suisse downgraded the stock from neutral to underperform and lowered its price target from $110 to $90. And number 8, Dick's Sporting Goods Incorporated, ticker DKS, negative 6.18% change. Dick's Sporting Goods Incorporated engages in the retail of an extensive assortment of authentic sports equipment, apparel, footwear, and accessories through a blend of associates, in-store services, and unique specialty shop-in-shops. Why is it moving? Dick's Sporting Goods shares are trading higher, reversing from earlier weakness following the company's Q1 financial results. Here are the top 10 gainers. Number 1, Nordstrom Incorporated, ticker JWN, positive 7.40% change. Nordstrom Incorporated engages in the manufacture and trade of clothes, shoes, and accessories. Why is it moving? Nordstrom shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q1 sales results, issued financial year 22 adjusted EPS guidance above estimates and announced a $500 million buyback. Number 2, LegalZoom.com Incorporated, ticker LZ, positive 5.50% change. LegalZoom.com Incorporated operates an online platform for legal and compliance solutions in the United States. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness on continued concerns over inflation and further Fed policy tightening. Number 3, American Eagle Outfitters Incorporated, ticker symbol AEO, positive 5.49% change. American Eagle Outfitters Incorporated engages in the retail of clothing, accessories, and personal care products. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the retail and apparel space are trading higher amid strength in the sector following earnings from multiple retail companies. Number 4, Pinterest Incorporated, ticker symbol PINS, positive 4.35% change. Pinterest Incorporated provides a visual discovery engine that helps users to discover ideas for various projects and interests worldwide. Why is it moving? Shares of streaming, gaming and social media companies are trading higher as the sector rebounds slightly after falling in sympathy with Snap on Tuesday. Number 5, Burlington Stores Incorporated, ticker symbol BURL, positive 3.13% change. Burlington Stores Incorporated is a holding company, which provides customers a selection of fashionable branded products in women's ready-to-wear apparel, menswear, youth apparel, baby products, footwear, accessories, home goods and coats. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the retail and apparel space are trading higher amid strength in the sector following earnings from multiple retail companies. Number 6, Kilroy Realty Corporation, ticker symbol KRC, positive 2.21% change. Kilroy Realty Corporation is a self-administered REIT active in premier office and industrial submarkets along the West Coast. Why is it moving? Shares of several REITs are trading higher as stocks rebound following Wednesday weakness, which came after the CDC discovered a case of the COVID-19 Omicron in the US. Number 7, Teva Pharmaceutical Industries Limited, ticker symbol TEVA, positive 2.13% change. Teva Pharmaceutical Industries Limited engages in the provision of pharmaceutical services. Why is it moving? Teva shares are trading higher after the company announced a settlement agreement for opioid-related claims in West Virginia. Number 8, Tanger Factory Outlet Centers Incorporated, ticker symbol SKT, positive 1.66% change. Tanger Factory Outlet Centers Incorporated engages in the provision of real investments. Why is it moving? Shares of several REITs are trading higher as stocks rebound following Wednesday weakness, which came after the CDC discovered a case of the COVID-19 Omicron in the US. Number 9, Western Alliance Bancorp, ticker symbol WAL, positive 1.33% change. Western Alliance Bancorp operates as a bank holding company, which engages in the provision of service banking and related services to locally owned businesses, professional firms, real estate developers and investors, local nonprofit organization. Why is it moving? Shares of banks and financial services companies are trading higher amid overall market strength as traders continue to assess recent earnings reports in the space and weigh the impact of rising yields on the sector. And number 10, Suro Capital Corporation, ticker symbol SSSS, positive 1.26% change. Suro Capital Corporation is a non-diversified closed-ended fund company. Why is it moving? Suro Capital shares are trading lower after the company reported Q4 earnings results. That was the roundup of top tickers with max loss and gain. We hope you found this interesting. You can head over to Core anytime and search your favorite stock and see why it moved. Which is not only a free stock portfolio monitoring software, but also where you can find analysis comments, stock news, and more. If you benefited from this video, hit subscribe, leave a comment and give it the thumbs up. Have a suggestion? Let us know. Thanks for watching.